Welcome. My name is Mike Hamilton, and I'd like to invite you to come along to our live training room and learn as you trade. Now, the focus of our training room is not to get people in just to watch how we trade and follow our trades. The whole purpose of this live training room is to help you see how very, very experienced traders prepare to trade the market. See what kind of preparation do they do, what do they look for, how do they time their entries, and once they're in a trade, how do they manage those entries to reduce the risk that they're putting themselves in when they put their capital on the line when they take a trade. Now, somebody gave me this quote today. They said, "You're the king of the 5 Ps." So I thought I'd use this. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. And that is, like I said, the whole crux of this training room. It's not simply about just following us into a trade. It's about getting you to realize what sort of work and hard work that we do in order to protect our capital and take a profit from this market every day. And of course, you're not just going to come in to this market for the sake of it. You're coming to this market, into this live training room, because you want results. You want to make money through your account. And what I've done is, it's the 7th of January today. I finished trading for the day. I've just totted up what I've done since I opened the room in 2014. And this is a summary. So the first trade we took in the room was a losing trade. But by the way, under the heading session, the EU is obviously for Euro and US is for US session. So we went long on the Aussie US dollar, and then in the US session we took a lower level. So it dropped lower. We bought this lower level because we realized there was a massive support level in the Aussie US, and we made overnight 144 points. Following day on the Friday, there was a lot of weakness in the pound US dollar. The pound typically at the beginning of the year does tend to be weak. It's cyclically quite weak. So we took advantage of that. We shorted the pound for 54 points. On the Monday, we went long. There was some data for the UK at the very early part of the Monday morning in the UK session, and we took 44 points. I later shorted the euro, which turned out to be a loss. I managed to stop. I could see after a period it wasn't working. Moved the stop up slightly. Still wanted to give it a chance to work, but I got stopped out. And then later that day, in actual fact, just as I was running a webinar, just before I started the webinar, I took a position in the US dollar yen, held that over, and took 47 points in the US dollar yen. And today, that's the 7th of January today, I took 51 points in the Euro session, scalped for a further 21 points as we got into the US session, and just a couple of quick moves on the Aussie US dollar. Aussie US dollar, since that Friday, the overnight Friday move, has actually been in a very, very tight range. So I didn't want to risk much capital, so just took a 20 plus 20 and a plus 9. So including 2 stop outs, that leaves me with 365 points. So if you would like the opportunity to come and watch what I do, see how I prepare for the markets, and make your own decisions in this trading room, that's very important. It's not, like I said, it's not about following me in and out of trades. It's a learning experience. It's an opportunity to see how a very, very experienced trader sets up the charts and pinpoints entry and exit levels. All right, so I do hope you will join us, and any questions, you are welcome to make inquiry, and we will try and answer them as best we can. All right, come and join us. Come and join in and make some money. Thanks.